Shri Gurubhyo Namaha students, welcome to Online Teaching Academy Ekkalaiva. Today I am going to discuss exercise 6.2, question number 7. See, I am going to read the question. You have to take your book and see page number 256. A vertical pole fixed to the ground is divided in the ratio 1:9 by a mark on it with lower part shorter than the upper part. If the two parts subtend equal angles at a place on the ground 20 meters away from the base of the pole, what is the height of the pole? Right? What is the height of the pole? Now I am going to represent the word problem converted into the diagrammatic representation. That I am going to do now. See, this is your vertical pole. Away from the vertical pole. Away from the vertical pole. Sorry, children. Away from the vertical pole, a point. Right? Then you have to connect. What it is? This is the point A. This as B. Vertical pole, so it makes an angle 90 degree. Then one more thing they said, it divided in the ratio 1:9 by a mark on it which is lower part shorter than the upper part. Right? This is the lower part. Got it, children? Now I am going to label it B. This is C. Now you do the word problem, it converted into a right triangle. Right? If the two parts subtend equal angles at the place on the ground, two parts subtend equal angles. That means this is also theta and this is also theta. Now I am going to write up for the diagram. Let BC be the pole. BC be the pole and point B divides it such that BD is to BC, which is equal to BD is lower part, right? 1:9. It is given in your question, right? Then the length of AB, the distance between the point A and B is given as 25 centimeter. Sorry, 25 meter. 25 meter. The distance between the bottom of the pole to the point will be mentioned as 25 meter. Got it, children? Now, let the two parts subtend equal angles. You have to listen carefully, children. That's why I am going slowly. Equal angles at point A. Equal angles at point A. At point A such that angle BAD equal to angle CAD, right? Angle BAD and CAD equal to theta. Equal to theta. Got it, children? Because they said it's equal angle. That's why I mentioned the angle in terms of theta. Now, by angle bisector theorem. What it is? Angle bisector theorem. By angle bisector theorem. Angle bisector theorem. BD divided by BC equal to BC equal to AB divided by AC. AB divided by AC. What it is, the angular bisector? Anyone? Yeah. The internal bisector of an angle, the internal bisector of an angle of a triangle divides the opposite side internally in the ratio of the corresponding sides containing the angle. Right? Ratio of the corresponding sides containing the angle. That you know very well, right? Angular bisector theorem. Now, BD, what it is given in the question, which implies 1 by 9 equal to 1 by 9 equal to 25 divided by AC. Now, AC equal to 9 into 25. AC equal to 9 into 25. Now, in triangle, in right triangle, in right triangle, in right triangle, in right triangle, ABC, BC equal to square root of AC square minus AB square, because they are asking find the height of the pole. Height of the pole. Height is what we mentioned, BC. Now, what is our AC square? AC square we arrived as 9 into 25 the whole square. Right? I didn't multiply. For some reason, I didn't multiply. The next step you can understand why I didn't multiply. Right? AB is nothing but 25 square. In both the things which is common, yeah, very good. 25, the whole square is common. Then what should be rest? 9 square minus 1. When it becomes 25 square, when you are taking square root, what can you get? 25 square root of 81 minus 1, which is equal to 25 square root of 80, which is equal to 25 into square root of 16 into 5. Square root of 16 into 5. We are making the third into mixed third, right? Right? It is equal to 25 into 4 root 5. This is equal to 100 root 5. What is it? 100 root 5. What is, children? Now, what is the height of the pole? Height of the pole equal to, therefore, height of the pole equal to height of the pole equal to 100 What is children? Once again, I am going to explain. You people should listen carefully. They said vertical pole. My vertical pole is BC. A point they mentioned that I denoted as A. Then D divides BC in the ratio 1 is to 9. In that they said the lower part is shorter than the upper part. Lower part is shorter than the upper part. Now AB equal to 25. Let the two parts subtend equal angles. That is also given in your question, right? Two parts subtend equal angles at point A, so that angle BAD equal to angle CAD equal to theta. They said equal, that's why I got it. That's why I wrote it as theta. By angle bisector theorem, BD divided by DC equal to AB divided by AC, which implies BD divided by DC is given as 1 by 9. AB we know 25 divided by AC. AC equal to 9 into 25. I didn't multiply. Purposely I didn't multiply, right? In right triangle ABC, BC equal to square root of AC square minus AB square. Opposite we need. So hypotenuse square minus adjacent square. Then in both the things 25 square is common, so I took it out. Then the rest of the thing I wrote it inside the bracket. Then I arrived at 25 root 80. The root 80 I converted in terms of 16 into 5. Then 16 square root 4. So 25 into 4 equal to 100. 100 root 5. So height of the pole equal to 100 root 5 meter. Got it, children? Now I am going to move to question number 8. Question number 8. A traveler approaches a traveler approaches a mountain on a highway. He measures the angle of elevation. He measures the angle of elevation to the peak at each milestone. At two consecutive milestones, the angle measured are 4 degree and 8 degree, right? Mountain. So this is my mountain. Got it, children? You should draw the diagram neatly, right? Then two consecutive milestone. Two consecutive milestone, you have to listen carefully how I am going to label it. Two consecutive milestone. A, this is my B, then C, D. Got it? Now, now you are going to connect. From this point, you are going to see at the top, right? Sorry, children. Right? Now, you see, I want to place it properly. This is, see, got it? Now, again, from the consecutive milestone, the consecutive milestone is A and B. Now, from B, right? From B to C. It makes an angle. Here it is 8 degree. This is my 4 degree. Got it, children? Then they said the distance between A and B is 1 mile. Got it? The distance between A and B is 1 mile. Now, DC be the mountain, right? Let DC be the mountain. Got it, children? What is distance between AB? AB equal to 1 mile. AB equal to 1 mile. Now, the right triangle ABC from right triangle ABC. Angle D is equal to 90 degrees. Got it? That's why I mentioned as right triangle. Now, AD tan 4 degree equal to what it is? Opposite by what? Opposite by adjacent. So CD divided by AD. Got it, children? Now, tan 4 degree value is given to you. What it is? 0.0699. You have to listen carefully, children. 0.0699 equal to BC divided by AB plus BD. Got it, children? AB, it is given as 1 mile, right? Now, 0.0699 equal to DC divided by 1 plus BD. DC divided by 1 plus BD. Now, CD equal to 0.0699 into 1 plus BD into 1 plus BD. Now, from a right triangle, which right triangle I am going to consider? Right triangle BBC. Got it? Now, again, tan 8 degree equal to tan 8 degree equal to the same CD divided by what? BD. CD divided by BD. Tan 8 degree value what it is? 0.1405 equal to CD divided by BD. This is your equation number 1. This is your equation number 2. Got it, children? Now, what is your CD? CD equal to BD into 0.1405. Got it? Right. This is your equation number. This is your equation number 2. Now, equate 1 and 2 because both left is having CD. So, you can equate. Right, children? Now, from 1 and 2, BD into 0.1405 equal to 0.0699 into 1 plus BD. What is, children? 1 plus BD. Right? I hope you people understood. Right? Now, BD into 0.1405 minus 0.0699 0.0699 equal to 0.0699. See how to use and multiply this, then this. When you shift to the left side, BD equal into, when you subtract, what can you get? 0.0706. What is children? Say yes or no. This is equal to 0.0699. Then BD equal to 0.0699 divided by 0.0706 equal to 0.99. The division you should do, right children? Miles. You have to multiply both numerator and denominator by or 10,000 to make it as a whole number. Now BD you arrived at 0.99. But what we need, what they are expecting, what is the height of the peak if the distance between the consecutive milestone, right? BC equal to, what is the height of the peak if the distance between the consecutive milestones. I'm going to show the diagram, you listen. BD we arrived, right? But we need CD. BD what value you arrived? 0.99. So CD equal to CD equal to 0.1405 into 0.99. Then what can you get? 0.14 miles. What are children? 0.14 miles. Height of the peak equal to, the height of the peak equal to height of the peak equal to 0.14 miles approximately, right? Approx. Not exact value, it is approximate value. Now again I am going to explain. Listen carefully children. Alright. See, DC is the mountain. Distance between the consecutive milestone is 1 mile. It is given in triangle ADC. Tan 4 degree equal to CD divided by AD. Then the tan degree is 4 degree value is given to you. 0.0699 equal to BC divided by AB plus BD. 0.0699 equal to DC divided by 1 plus BD. CD equal to 0.0699 into 1 plus BD. Then from again one more right triangle, that is BDC, tan 8 degree. 0.1405 equal to CD into BD. Both CD are in the left hand side equal, so right it becomes equal. So we equate and got the value of BD, but we need height of the peak, right? So that height of the peak is nothing but CD. So CD equal to 0.1405 into 0.99, which is equal to 0.14 approximate one, which is not an exact value. Got it children? You should understand the problem. Based on that, you should draw the diagram. Once if you draw the diagram, the rest of the things we see, right? Understand and then draw. Thank you, children.